No EMR? No problem. You've created an outstanding clinical note. Now, where will you save it? Without an EMR system, your notes are effectively lost. It's essential to have a reliable repository for your medical notes. Access and save your medical notes effortlessly by tapping My Records, all conveniently within AI4Docs. Connect your Google account with one click. AI4Docs creates a private Google Sheet in your Drive. You own your data completely. Once you have generated your note, tap Save. Enter the patient's name in your preferred language, along with their phone number and date of birth. Your note will be instantly saved to your Google Sheet. The patient will be automatically added to your registry. If the note is for an existing patient in the registry, you can search for that patient. Our comprehensive Arabic Smart Search accommodates all letter variations, allowing you to easily find the patient. Once located, you can add the note to their record instead of creating a new patient entry. Quickly find any patient not just by name, but also by phone number and part of it, or by date of birth, including partial entries. Tap any patient to see their full visit history. Each note is saved with the date and type. Open any previous visit to review the complete clinical note, beautifully formatted. The real power? Load any previous visit directly into your next consultation. The AI uses that context to generate a perfect follow-up note, with continuity of care built in. When you click Save, the same patient is automatically selected, ready to be saved. And your patient's history grows automatically. And here it is in your Google Drive, a clean, organized Google Sheet that you own. Patient registry on one tab, clinical notes on another. Your data never leaves your account. My patient records. No EMR needed, no extra cost, no setup headaches, just save, search, and follow up. All from within AI4Docs. Try it free today at AI4Docs.ai. 40 notes per month, no credit card required.